Yeah, what's good, beautiful people? Today I'm gonna be unboxing my new AirPod 3, the latest version from Apple. Um, yeah, normally I'm a hardcore guy with headphones, beats type of guy because I do sport and I need something that can literally, something that can stay in my ear when I'm doing my sport, my jogging, my boxing, and all that stuff, you know what I mean? So, but then I read about and I watched the reviews for this new product, and I think it's worth a try and try and see if it's gonna be fine. The noise cancellation, the waterproof, and of course the translation thing. I love that. You know, I love traveling. I love to meet new people, different backgrounds and languages. I love to learn new things every day. So I think the translation effect will be great for myself to learn new things and new languages as well, which is the reason why I bought this. It's my, and also this is my first time doing an unboxing. So I don't know, I feel weird or something, but it's okay, it's alright. There's always a first time for everything, right? Okay, so let's go into it. Let's dive deep into it. Ride with me. Alright, so I just got this today. Yeah, nothing much. Still a product of China, designed by Apple in California. Say AirPod Pro 3 and wireless headphones with charging case, includes 5 ear tip sizes, compatible with USB-C, Apple Watch, MagSafe and Q certified chargers, USB-C cable sold separately, and the rest no English. No English. Alright, so just gonna open this now anyway. Let's go into it. Alright, let's see. And it comes with a manual designed by Apple in California. Alright, so this is the limited Apple 1 year limited warranty summary. I mean, I think this comes every time with every other stuff as well. I'm gonna look into that later. And regulatory compliance information, AirPod and case. I don't think we need all this information. I don't know. Before using Apple, review the AirPod user guide or support Apple. These are like the safety and handling instructions, batteries and charging, warnings, choking hazard, and alright. So I think this is the main thing we need right here. Of course, I will definitely go through all this later. You might have to look into it, I don't know. But for me, for now, that's not important. So if your item or your order or your product doesn't come with all this, it's fake. Oh my days, I can't believe I'm doing this. Alright, so there you go. It says this and that and that and that and that, and it extends all through. And this as well. So right here, let's see. We've got AirPods Pro with these things. Okay. Device control. Track the heart rate. Oh, cool. So you can actually track one's heart rate with this. So there's a QR code just below the manual right here to get more information about the AirPod user guide. You can always scan that. Alright, and let's see what the new baby looks like. Alright, so now it was enclosed like this. I just flipped this open, just in case. Because I bought it's original, so I bought it directly from Apple Store. So if something is not right, then it gotta be the issue with them. So, but oh yeah, engraved. Can you see my name? JasiCaesar Wilson, W. JasiCaesar Wilson. I love this part of it. I was able to customize it, and I didn't pay a dime for that. Came with it online. That's so great. Thank you, Apple. Before I open this, I think there is another thing right here. Oh yeah, nice. So I read about this as well. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's so cute. It's so beautiful. I mean, I want to kiss this, you know what I'm saying? I love this. So there is large, there is small, there is extra small, and there is extra small as well. I don't know which one fits best. I'm just gonna try them all and see the one that has the highest quality of sound, because I'm a sound person. Yeah, so other than that, nothing much. No charge, nothing, no charger or anything. So here is this charging case. Man, I love the fact that this carries my name. I love this so much. Oh, look at that, look at that. So I think it's trying to appear already. I would use the other phone I'm using for the recording, but let's try and check with this one as well. Oh damn, I'm in airplane mode. Okay, updates now. Alright, so I haven't turned this phone on for a while now, and it's just asking for an update. I usually use this for music, record on this and all that, but I'm using it to test this AirPods today. Oh Lord, I feel like I'm talking to myself. However this comes out or turns out, I hope it can really help someone. I don't know. This is it. I'm just gonna test this on. This guy is gonna take some time, so there's no point in waiting for it to update. It's gonna take a while before I finish updating. So I'm just gonna stop this video at this point. This is what it looks like. Let's take one out just for you all to see. Probably I'll put it in my ear. See, small. Oh, it fits fine. Whoa. Whoa, this is dope. God damn. Oh, I'm sorry. This is great. This is great. I'm telling you, the noise cancellation is on another level. I literally cannot hear the music I was playing in the background. Wow. And I haven't played anything with it yet. So what I'm gonna do is damn, this guy's taking some time before it's... But this is good. Feels good already. The noise cancellation is top tier. Apple, shout out to you guys. You're doing a great job. You've done a great job actually on this. The noise cancellation, I can literally hear anything. my music that's been playing in I can't even hear that. I can't even hear that. No, I can hear that. Bro. This feels like my Sony headphones, you know? Bro. Man, this is mad. I love this. I think I'm gonna fall in love with this. I'm just trying to see if this can get on. About the updating is taking more time than I think. So we'll leave it at that. Maybe I'll do second one. Maybe I'm not gonna do it. I don't know. Anyway, this is great. I appreciate it. I like this. I love this.